So about this leak detector, AU2 leak detector. So I'm unboxing it. You can see there is their manual for the leak detector. So let me take it out. Let me take the accessories out. So this is the first accessory. Well, the second accessory. The plug. This is the pumping thing. And this is the stoppers to stop other hoses to prevent the leak from coming. And this is my oil that I'll be using. This is a baby oil. And this is for BMW. I know this is for BMW. The filler cap, the oil filler cap, then you place it there. Then the last one, the stoppers also. So the machine itself is in the box. So with this leak detector, at least they've given me all the necessary accessories that I'll be needing for detecting gas leak and other things. So this is my leak detector. I bought the P. So this is the fueling side and the connector and the switch. Then the outlet. So this has an inbuilt air compressor, and this is the flow control. So what I'm coming to do is coming to try it and see how it works, or if it will work. And this is the gauge. So it is up to 58 psi, which is 0.4 megapascal. So what I'll do now is I'll just take out the accessories. So these are the stoppers for other ones. Maybe when you want to stop any hole from leaking, maybe when you are detecting any hole, any leakage, and you want to stop it. So this is the stopper for it, and they have the black one. So I'm coming to set it up. I'll bring a battery and set it up, then pour my baby oil in it. And this is the plugs that you connect. So this one, you connect the alligator clips to the battery. So this is up to 24 volt. The reason why I bought this, you can use it for 24 volt vehicles also. So that means it's good for both 24 volt. That means it's good for both 24 volt vehicle and 12 volt vehicle. So you can use it for even heavy duty. Okay, so I'll take off my hose. This is the cap also. So let me take this. So this is the other hose, and this is the bottle for the oil, and it has this valve also. Then this one also. Then this for the exhaust or any other cone, like the intake manifold. You can use it to block it. So this connects to the other types, then you block it here. So what I'm going to do is, now I found these accessories. So let me put them in here. Let me leave the bottle here. Let me now take this out of the test. So this is what you connect to the back of the machine. So after this, I will do that connection. Then let me keep the rubber. And also keep this rubber, which is for the connector. And this is the other unit that you will also be using, like other hoses that you need to pump. Then you just pump. So you tighten it up, then you pump. So you just fill up the hoses. So like the intake manifold, I think they've made a valve that when it is out, so you just connect the hose here, then the smoke will pass this side. So you pump it for it to fill up the hose. So after that, you just using it. Okay, so when it is needed, I will use it. Okay, using. Okay, drain every air out of it, then close it, then fix it back. So let's see the other one. Let me put this back in the rubber. And let's see the other ones also. So this is the BM. This one is for the BM accessory. So you just lock it and you fill the cap when you want to do crank or you want to see gasket. And these are the stoppers for the black ones. So these are to block hoses that will be leaking the smoke from. Then this one I've already shown you. These are the red ones for blocking hoses. So what I'm going to do is I'm coming to set it up. So I'll pour some of my oil. I'm using baby oil for now because I can't get the mineral oil to buy. So you just open it up and you check. You open it out and okay. So this is the hose and plug this thing in. Then you try and let it fit into the hose. Okay, then you tighten it up. So this hole is to drain oil from the machine. So when you open it, the oil will drain out of the machine. So I'm now trying the machine to see if the one that I bought is okay. Then I'll know what to do. So plug it in, then it uses only this to ground the so now I'm filling it up and it is at okay. So let me see if it will get to. So they said it needs only like 2. Okay. It is at max. So now it is at max. So now what I'll do is it is at max. So the oil level is at max. So you can see it coming up. Yeah. So now what I'll do is let me put it down and it has settled. So let me bring my battery and now let me bring my battery and plug it. Then let's test the device. Yeah. So now the moment I connected the battery, this light is on. So now what I'm going to do is let me turn on the smoke and turn on the air. So now the air. Okay, so I think when you switch it up, so you can see. Oh, okay, so when you want to switch it up, I can just use it on the evap. You can see the evap, it doesn't need to pass some amount of pressure, so around 10 psi then it cuts. But when I put it at the standard mode, when I release the pressure, when I put it at standard mode and I hold it, when I turn the evap off, you can see it keeps going up and up and up. But when I put it at evap mode and I block it, the moment it gets to 10 psi it cuts. So that tells me now I can use it to do a evap test, and the moment I release it, you can see the smoke is coming. So now it is turned on, so it's producing the smoke. So I think I have to buy mineral oil because this smoke I don't see it properly, but at least you can see that the smoke is coming. So let me put it at the standard mode to wait and see if the smoke will be coming up. Okay, so one thing I noticed after using it for a while is, after playing with it, I came to notice that my airflow, so the most important thing, you can see enough smoke coming out, although it is at standard. This here, you can't see enough smoke. The machine tries to run, but it doesn't run. So without the regulation of the airflow, it will not work. So when I start controlling my airflow, that's where you can see I'm getting smoke. So when I reduce my airflow, that's where the smoke goes off and the machine shut down. So but when I open my airflow, you can see now the compressor is working and it's producing enough smoke, you can see on the screen. So I can hold the pressure, then you can see my airflow ball keeps dropping. But when I release it, but when I set it at EVA and close it like this, hold it, when it gets to 10 it cuts. And if I hold my airflow, it doesn't allow the system to work because I've blocked the flow of air. And if I open it up, then you can see that. So it's being controlled by the airflow. So you can also control the airflow. You can regulate it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.